welcome back to Indulge.
So first look at the front profile. Well, as you can see, it looks very futuristic and very clean from the front. You see the connected sleek headlamps that you can see all over here, running all over the bonnet. And the closed front grille, which gives it a EV look, of course. And when you get to the sides, come around. When you come to the sides, you're welcomed with the 19-inch alloy wheels, which looks quite sporty and quite big. And when you come to the side, it's very clean, looks very sleek with two-tone finish. As you can see, there's a black and this blue color, which looks stunning. And to the back, when we come, they are connected tail lamps, which is giving a very silent kind of look. Overall, the complete look of this car is very sporty and very neat and clean. So when we talk about traveling and going on long trips or a short trip, how much boot space do you need? Well, you get a massive boot space of 506 liters in the all-new Tata Harrier.EV, and that's enough to tug in your luggage when you're traveling for a short trip or for a long trip. So now when we come inside the all-new Tata Harrier.EV, well, the interior looks very premium and very plush. Look at this dual-tone finish that looks very, very neat and clean. And when you come to this entire area, well, the infotainment system, 4 players have come along to give you the best entertainment in this car, like Dolby Atmos, JBL, Harman and Samsung Neo, to give you the best experience while you're driving this car. Look at this panel over here. It comes with a piano finish, and all the things are here are also very neat and clean, very convenient for the driver whenever the driver is going to be driving the car. Well, let me tell you, when I'm sitting in this car, it feels very comfortable. Well, on the driver's seat, you get 8 modes to adjust, and on the co-passenger seat, you get 4 modes to adjust your seat for that comfortable drive. You get a lot of modes over here. Well, there's so much to talk about in this car, but the most important thing is that you get the 360-degree view of while you're driving, and this also has the automatic parking assist that will help you parking your car in the tight spaces, and so no hassle of parking your car as well. When you're parking in the tight spaces, this can do your job pretty well. Now let's go back and show you how the rear seat feels. So now we are sitting at the rear area, and it is yet again, it's very comfortable. Well, you get a lot of spaces over here. You get dual tone finish here, and then the whole panoramic view, which looks very beautiful and very stunning. Well, while you will be traveling in this car, you will be very comfortable, as you get the charging also. To charge your phone, to get 2 charging modes here. You get a small little place here to keep in stuff, something like a newspaper or something. Then you get stuff over here, to space over here to put something. Now to talk about the engine specs, well, you get a dual motor in this for all-wheel drive, and here, as you can see, you get a small space to put some things in here, and it can carry 17 kg max things that you can store in here. So this was my first look of this car. How did you find the first look of the all-new Tata Harrier.EV? Let me know in the comment section below. A detailed drive review is coming up on our channel very soon, so stay tuned and keep following all our social media handles.